Hi, Gabe with SI Certs here, and I'm going to show you how to invite users to your dashboard and assign them courses, because as a company you're going to be purchasing credits and doling out all these courses. Let me show you how that works. So I'm in my company account right now, Gabe here. I'm on the dashboard, that's one screen, and I know it's a company account because I have this badge here, company admin, right? And I have my company information here and all that good stuff. So as an admin, you always can assign a course to yourself. You can take any of our training yourself. You're going to be on the dashboard. If I click on my own name, this happens to be, this is me, right? And this happens to be all the courses I have already assigned myself, right? And of course, this is a test account, but I can hide myself from the dashboard if I know I'm never going to take any courses. I'm just sending these out to, the field staff. I can hide myself. If I want to bring myself back, I can just go to hidden users and recover myself here, show in dashboard. These are other users I've hidden, including another account, myself, and another email. Okay, so I have 37 credits on this account right now. And if I want to purchase credits at any time, I come here. All our discounts are built in for, if you want to, the more you buy, the more you save. So it's all there, it's all built in. You get them for cheaper the more you buy. I already have 37, I don't need any more. And so I'm going to assign myself a course. I'm going to click on my name or click assign course. Now, it's only going to show what I don't have already. And I want to assign myself this steel bundle. So that's 2 courses, that's 2 credits. Here's purchase. Can't be undone. Okay, fine. 35 credits remaining. So it used 2 credits. The screen refreshes and those courses are added to my account. See these structural steel and bolting and welding. Okay, so as an admin, I log into my own account when I want to take a course, and I just click on it to start it. Right, I'm about to start the 90-day. Blah blah blah. Okay, fine. So if I did that, I'd start right into our course and start studying. Right. So let's get out of there. I'm going to go back to the dashboard. I don't want to study right now. Okay, so I want to assign a course to a user. Okay, so this user here is already on my account. That means they've already created an individual account with SI Certs, and all of these courses are on their account when they log in. Okay, I can't get to them. I don't need to. They're their courses, right? So if I want to assign Joe Blow, this other user I've invited already that's already here, I'm going to click assign course, same thing. Now I can assign him packages if he didn't have a package, like CWI, right? Or I can assign, let's say, one of these ICCs. So let's give him fireproofing, okay? He needs that. The cost, 1 credit. Purchase, I'm about to use 1 credit. Okay, I know that. So what happens is it takes it away from my credit bank here. So I have 34 now. And he has now fireproofing, which I can see on his account. I can look at his progress report. When he starts getting into it and actually doing it, he'll have completion scores, right? So I can see if he, if he's bombing the quizzes, and I know, hey, you got to really study this thing or you're wasting everybody's time. So, if Joe Blow left the company or he just isn't doing, he's not cut out for it, or maybe he doesn't want to go through that cert anymore, just let us know. We can protect you against situations like that, and you can reassign these courses. So there's great protections for companies. So, people leave, or if they're just not a right fit, they're not doing it, you can assign it to somebody else. You don't lose that credit. Okay. Okay. So if I want to bring somebody, I want to assign more courses to other people who aren't on the dashboard. I'm going to click invite user. I got to get them here first. Okay. Now I've already entered in a user in another test run here. So this is a pending invite. I'm just going to remove it. But if I want to invite somebody, I'll do, test at testinc.com, right? So I'm going to send the invite, and what that does is our system sends an email to that user, that email address, and says, hey, SI Certs, your company so-and-so wants to assign your course with SI Certs. Click on this special link. They click the link, and they're taken to our site to sign in or sign up. They've got to create their own account, because what's going to happen is you're going to assign them a course when they get on here. And like I already did, you're going to assign them a course, and they're going to log in and take it from their account. They don't log into your account. You're the admin. You control credits. You control purchasing. You control all the views and all that. They're going to log in to their own account that they create, And once they're here, then you can assign them the course. Then they log in, like Joe Blow, he logs in, he sees all of this stuff. This is everything he sees and all the courses he has access to. And he hasn't started any of them because he got zero progress, right? Anyway, so that's how the system works. Pretty simple. But if you have any questions, of course, write us, let us know. We're here to help you in any way we can. And of course, all of our courses come with lots of CEUs. So if they need to renew, every 3 years when certifications come due, they're going to need like 25 to 35 hours. Every one of our courses, except fireproofing. Fireproofing is 20 hours, but all of the other ones are 25 to 30. So they can get a lot of CEUs. You assign them the course, they complete it. They have to have a progress of 75% or more. But if they have that, the course is considered 100% complete, and then we can issue a certificate of completion, and then they can claim those CEUs and renew their certifications. So anyway, if you have any other questions, just let us know. We're here. Thanks.